Paramatmane Namaha. Today we will be talking on the concept of Bhagavad Gita, on divine property of human beings and the consequences as a result of it. As the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna has depicted about 26 divine qualities to Arjuna in following number 1, 2 and 3 sloka of Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter. There अभयं सत्व संशुद्धि ज्ञान योग व्यवस्थिति दानं दमश्च यज्ञश्च स्वाध्याय तपार्जवम् अहिंसा सत्य अक्रोध दयाभूतेषु अलुलप्तं आर्दवं ह्रिय चापलं ते शौच अद्रोहं ज्ञाति मानिता भवन्ति संपदं दैव अभिजातस्य भारत. In these three important slokas, what are the divine qualities a man to have? If having divine quality, what are the manifestations of it that has been depicted? Absolute fearlessness, perfect purity in mind, constant effort in yogic meditation for self-realization, and sattvic charity, and controlling of senses, studying and teaching the Vedas and other religious books, sacred books, performing Agnihotra. Agnihotra means to worship the god in the fire, that is fire worship. As we do Agnihotra, we used to put cow ghee and other ingredients onto it, which purify the environment. Those who are doing Agnihotra, their environment is purified, their mental peace do come up, and with this a sense of sacrifice is there. Swaha being pronounced, which means you will have to sacrifice yourself. Swa ahuti is swaha. So Agnihotra is very important for Daivi Guna, important, and chanting God's name and glories of God every time, and uprightness in mind, body and senses, that is Arjavata. Ahimsa satya akrodha tyaga santi apaisunang daya bhutesu alulaptang ardhamang hriya chapalang. Non-violence in the thought, word and deed. Most important, Daivi Guna is non-violence, not to be violent to anybody, any creature. And in word, thought and deed. Truthfulness, absence of anger, even on provocation, and denouncing doership, that I have done the things. And abstaining from slander, to talk bad of others. That is, they don't have that property. And compassionate towards all creatures. Madatma sarvabhutatma. This is the third process of Daivi Guna Sampanna personalities. And absence of worldly attachment, detachment. And abstaining from frivolous pursuits. They never adopt frivolous ways while maintaining their lifestyle, and avoiding doing wrong things that tarnish their personality. That is Hri. And tender in heart, that is Ardava, and mildness and no cunning in attitude, or Chapalam. So these are the divine qualities persons maintain if they will be ascending higher up, Atma Urdhvardhana, what is otherwise called elevation of the soul will be there. And Teja Khyama Dhruti Saucha Adroha Nati Manita Bhavanti Sampadang Daivi Abhijatasya Bharata. Sublimity, forgiveness, fortitude, external purity, bearing enmity to none, absence of self-esteem. All these are 26 qualities of mark of divinity in a person. And as per the Bhagavad Gita, Trividha Bhavati Shraddha Dehinang Sa Swabhavaja Satviki Rajasi Chaiva Tamasi Chetitang Srunu. And Sattanurupa Sarvasya Shraddha Bhavati Bharata Shraddha Mayaving Purusha Jajat Shraddha Sa Evasa. So these are things are inborn qualities. If one practices these divine qualities, if a genetic change will be retained to maintain it, incorporated in genetic character. So that is why in the divine qualities one has to practice to elevate the soul. Uddharet atmana atmanang na atmanang avasadhet Atmevahi Atmano Bandhu Atmiva Ripu Atana. If you want to elevate our soul, we will have to practice all these. This, if you get ourselves downgraded, then we will be downgrading our soul, that's all. And in this context, I have written in Astagujari Raga in Odia language followingly.
Ready.
केशव बोलन्ति अर्जुने दैवी गुण छविष दैवी सम्पद तटई अभय साहस संसार आसक्ति एडाई अनुराग ईश्वरे सत्व संशुद्धिता अटई चित्त शुद्धि जाकरे ज्ञान लभिबाकु जोगरे सदा थाए ही मन स्थान काले पात्रे दानत करे अभय दान इंद्रिय आवेग एड़ाई परहितरे रत पूजा सेवा गुरु जनरे अग्निहोत्र नियत निज वृत्ति स्थिति समीक्षा करी स्वाध्याय लिप्त शास्त्र अध्ययने मनरे निग्रहरे चेष्टित साधनारे द्वंद्व सहिसे तपकु आचरई सरल जीवन जापन दैवी गुण अटई न दिए कष्ट से काकू देह मन बाणी रे सर्वभूते दया देखाए अहिंसा से आचरे क्रोध शून्य चित्ते से सदा प्रिय कथा भाषन्ति संसार आसक्ति तेजी से त्यागे शांति लभन्ति पर निंदा कुच्छारटना केबे करन्ति नाही अन्य कष्ट दूर करन्ति दया भाव को बही मर्यादा विरुद्ध आचर नुहे कर्म तांकर भाव बाणी रे कोमल नुहे तसे चपल दैवी गुण तेज तांकठी सदा थाए अर्जुन नेत्रे चमके आनंद क्षमा गुणे विभूषण विचलित नुहे सदा से अनुकूले अकूले धृतित सात्विक तांकर द्रोह न थाए काले ज्ञान जोगे भावी थांती सर्वे निज स्वरूप द्रोह काहाठारे करिबे दुष्ट आत्मस्वरूप मानस न मान इच्छा ही केबे न थाए मने पूर्व जन्म कृत संस्कार दैवी संपद आणे। हरि ओम तत्सत।